Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are going to do some bundling. It is extremely windy outside. Today we're bundling out by the pile itself rather than transporting it to the shed. So I probably won't do much audio, but I'll take you along, do some time lapses. I will just bundle and sort the good pieces that I want to bundle, and everything I throw to the side will be going towards more of my truckload customers. So let's go. Here's the setup, guys. We got our wood, we're truckload wood. We got all our pile. We're gonna be bundling right out of it. The bundles will go right in the back of the truck and we'll bring them over to the bundle shed. So, I'll set you up over here and we'll get to it. I got 20 bundles here sitting on the truck. I'm gonna move them forward to the front so we can fit more in here. Well guys, that is going to be the end of this video. We got 50 bundles in the truck and loaded up. Along with those 50 bundles, we have 2 pretty full totes and some other wood over here that will be used for truckloads. Yeah, if you've got any questions, drop them in the comments. If you like this content, hit the like button and hit the subscribe button. See you next time.